Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying permissions and where the Excel file will live. Once done, open the workbook and make sure each column has a clear header and consistent data types. Merged cells break imports. Save as XLSX and upload to OneDrive or the site's documents library so Sharepoint can read it. Now go to the target Sharepoint site and choose New List from Excel to begin the import. This gets you straight into the conversion flow. You'll now pick the table or range and let Sharepoint scan the headers. This creates fields automatically. As you proceed, map each column to an appropriate Sharepoint type, text, number, date, choice, because type mismatches cause later errors. Make fields required or optional and set default values or unique indexes when you need constraints. If a column should be choice, convert it now to avoid free text entries. Once mappings look right, click Create to materialize the list. After creation, immediately scan the list for missing or truncated data and confirm date and number formats are correct. You should create useful views, apply column formatting, and set list permissions to mirror site governance. If you find problems, make sure to note the root cause, wrong Excel data type or hidden characters. If that's the case, fix the Excel column, resave, and re-import, or use SharePoint's Quick Edit to patch records. This is usually the fastest recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.